Introducing the newest addition to Milwaukee's M18 system. The Milwaukee M18 REDLITHIUM XC5.0 resistant battery. This new battery delivers the best in-class 5-amp performance you trust. Now with heavier resistance to greases, oils, and solvents. The new XC5.0 resistant battery can withstand all-day direct and indirect grease and oil exposure on the job. Work with confidence knowing the new M18 resistant XC5.0 battery can survive even the harshest job site conditions. Built with Milwaukee's REDLINK communication technology, know both your tool and your battery will be optimized to work as safely and efficiently as possible. Leverage this battery's new resistance technology on one of over 200 M18 cordless power tools and experience the fade-free power you expect. Choose the right power for the job. The new M18 REDLITHIUM XC5.0 resistant battery.